Hi, I'm Michael. I'm the founder of an automotive technology company within the automotive industry, and I give Gruveo a 5-star rating. When I was looking at for video conferencing technologies, of course, one of the first ones I looked at was GoToMeeting. It's definitely technology that I've used before. I was very familiar with it, and the same thing with my team. However, the reason why we didn't go with GoToMeeting was that we found that many of our customers, when we would send out video conferencing link, didn't understand how to download the technology. They didn't know how to set up a login. And so we really wanted to be able to find something which did not have the need for requirement actually for a login or download. And we were able to find this with Gruveo. With Gruveo, you do not need to have any type of downloads or logins. You literally can just send your clients a little simple link on their iPhone, on their Android devices, or even on their laptops or desktops at home. And it was just that easy to connect with. We made a decision for Gruvio because the biggest thing, again, it does not require your customers to download anything or create a login, which was huge. Second thing was that you can send out a video conferencing link to any type of platform that is out there. So you didn't have to worry about a customer needing to be in front of an iPad, a desktop, laptop, or anything like that. They can literally use their phone, and you can go ahead and have an instant video conference with them. It was very easy to integrate Gruvio into my business. The biggest reason why is that it's so simple to use. In fact, when I first rolled it out to the team, we actually had a moment in which case we just started giggling like little school kids, sending out each other's video links and instantly be able to have video conferences. And I would say that when it comes to just learning the technology, you could probably learn it within 15, 20 minutes. Definitely would highly recommend Gruvio. The biggest reason why, again, it does not require your customers or anybody you would like to have a video conference with to download anything, to create any type of logins or anything like that. No requirements to be in front of any specific type of platform. You can send out a video conferencing link to anybody using an iPad, an iPhone, an Android phone, or even a desktop. So definitely ease of use. It's low cost as well. And the best thing is also that you can actually brand it to your particular company as well.